Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Ikrash Rauf and I am consultant at AI Educational Consultancy. So basically आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा how to apply in Canada and what's the visa process for 221 and what are the latest opportunities and possibilities for students who have recently completed their intermediate, graduation and master programs in Pakistan. So first of all, to apply for Canada, there are some primary processes for that. So first of all, you have to select the university that there are certain categories of universities that align with your courses. So accordingly, you have to select specific universities, and you have to let us know about your priority, the priority list according to your courses, and that comes. And after that comes the subject selection. So you have to make sure that what are the courses that you want to apply and what are the specific fields that you are interested in. And then definitely the most important factor comes the budget factor, because different universities have got different fee ranges, and especially in Canada the fee range is very high, because you can find some universities that are around 20,000 Canadian dollars, and then on the other hand you would have some universities that goes up to 70,000 or 60 to 70,000 Canadian dollars. So the range is very high, and it's quite flexible as well. So students from different class ranges can get the maximum benefit out of this. And also, if I talk about the type of visa in Canada, so for students you have a student work permit. And to apply for this visa, you have basically got two channels. Number one is the ordinary channel that has been there for quite some time, and then you have the newest the new channel that has been introduced quite like 1.5 years back, that is called STS, Student Direct Stream Process channel. So you have like two channels, and I would be I will be explaining the two channels accordingly. So for the process, you have to start applying and start communicating with the agent and consultant around 3 to 4 and at least 3 to 4 months before the process, because it takes for the SOP preparation, for the language requirements, for university selection. So it takes around 3 to 4 months. So that would be the ideal and safe time period. And apart from as I have told about the university fee structure, the embassy fee is around $150. That is definitely paid before the booking appointment for the university, for the embassy, and that is definitely on the cash letter issued by the university. There are different intakes available for Canada. You have got Jan, Feb, April, and right now we have like May, September and October intakes. So the students can apply according to their convenience. And then the question comes about the city. So we have got couple of cities that are quite famous, like we have Manitoba, we have Vancouver, and some other cities that are quite in demand in terms of student visa. So if you apply through AI consultants, so definitely you will have access to all the information and all the technical treatment of study student visa. So you will definitely get all the services under one roof. So then some questions comes regarding the requirements, the documents that are required primarily for Canada visa. So basically, if you want to apply for Canada study permit, so you should have financial requirements. You should meet the financial requirements. And if you go on the normal channel, you would have a bank statement around 55 lakh Pakistani rupees that you have to hold your money for around 30 days. And if you go for STS, that is a Student Direct Stream program, you don't need any bank statement for that. You just need a block account that you have to get registered with the Canadian bank that is authorized by Canadian government, and you have to hold 10,000 Canadian dollar for the period of 1 year. It's not about, basically it's like a joint account that you get opened in a Canadian bank authorized by the government, and for that that money you can get back in installments, like per month 900,000. So by the end of year you get all the money back. But the benefit for this is that you don't need any bank statement, and also student direct stream program, you have definitely have get the better visa ratio, and also you have better chances, and the process time is also very short in that terms. And apart from that, you need IELTS to get through on a student work permit in Canada, and for that the requirement is a bit higher as compared to Australia and UK. You need, for undergrad you need six bands each, overall 6, and also like not less than 6 in any module. And for postgrad, you need 6.5 overall and no less than 6 in each module. And also for the fee payment in a normal program, as you know that in English speaking countries you have to pay 50% fee before embassy appearance. And once you get once you get through the visa requirement, visa process and all that, and you reach over there, then you pay the other half. But if you go through STS program, you have to pay the full fee of the year. That is kind of a worrying point. But again, against that amount, you get a lot of perks, like your visa ratio, as I mentioned, goes up. Your processing time is shortened, is limited. It's like it's get better, and also the bank statement, you are definitely exempted against the bank statement as well. So, and apart from that, you need a visa application form, and also you have to arrange your accommodation in advance. So you have to definitely you don't need to pay for that, but you should have a plan for your accommodation arrangements. And in terms of other documents, you need a valid passport. You have to got a CV. You have to prepare your SOP, and also you have to need a passport. So these are the primary documents that you need to travel to any country, and of course for Canada as well. So basically this is all for Canada. If you need any other information, you can always call our phone numbers which are available on AR website. You can visit our campus, which is 28B New Muslim Town, Bankstock, Lahore, and you can also visit our social media profiles, including Facebook, our website, for any information, where all the consultants are available online and also on campus as well. Thank you very much.